Hey, what's going on, guys? Ryan's Premiere Pro and Photoshop tutorials here. Just wanted to give you guys a little solution on what I was dealing with. I actually wasn't able to scale my images, drag around my images. This is going to be a real quick tutorial for the newbies. You might actually have to reset what you're currently working on. I was trying to create a thumbnail. I'll actually show you guys. Try to make this super quick for you guys because you might be dealing with different problems. But anyway, one of my issues was every time I would go to open up one of my current projects, I would go to, oh well, that's real helpful for my video, thank you. Let's try this. So I normally wouldn't be able to adjust these layers. What I'm trying to do is just fit the boundaries of the resolution for YouTube, so that way that these white bars aren't popping up on the side and it actually can look somewhat professional. So if you're unable to actually drag around and you're struggling and you can't figure out how to resize the actual images, you might need to actually reset the project completely and just start from scratch based on what I'm about to show you now if it doesn't work for you currently, or you have to close out of the app after I show you what I'm going to do and then reboot it, just because Premiere, Photoshop can be a little bit laggy sometimes like that. So anyway, what you want to make sure is right here. This is for the rookies, for me, I don't need my resolution to be perfectly scaled every time when I'm making a thumbnail, so just check Show Transform Controls. From there, that'll actually allow you to be able to just drag the image to your choosing. As you can see, you can select, make sure of course you're on the correct filter here, of course, but yeah. That way you can actually start to drag around your photos. Also, one thing that I just discovered, guys, is if you are still able to do this, but on one photo it might work, but however in the other photo it might not work, make sure that right here, if you can see my cursor, where the layers are, make sure that there isn't this lock on your photo. That will restrict you from being able to drag it around to your choosing as well. So obviously I'm adjusting the background right now because I took the lock off, but if I were to click on my primary picture, which had that lock prior, now I'm able to move that as well, so that may be one of your problems. And guys, if you actually are concerned about adjusting the original resolution so you don't want to lose any pixels or lose any quality, you can click on the image itself in your layers, and you can go to image, you can adjust it by the image size. From here you can go by percent, so if a client said, hey, I want that picture reduced, you can say, okay, move it down to 75%. There are plenty of other tutorials that show you just based off of the not losing resolution aspect. This is just how I get it done, nice and simple, nice and quick, so I hope I was able to help anyone that was struggling with this. I was dealing with this for quite some time, so feel free to give me a thumbs up if it helped. Leave a comment if you need some help. I'll always get back to you guys and I'll try to help out the best I can. But if you guys could like the video, subscribe, it would mean the world to me. Leave post notifications on. For sure, guys, take care and I'll see you guys in the next one.